Hello everybody, I'm Venus from SimplyPretty Creations. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I set up this desk in my master bedroom. I always wanted a study space in my bedroom for those late night reading or writing my journal. In my master bedroom, this was the only suitable place for a desk. So first I took measurements and then I started my search on Amazon for the desk that would fit in the space. Then I came across this particular desk which was a perfect fit. I was also particular about the color of the desk being white, since the rest of the furniture in the room were all dark in color. I didn't want to add on more dark furniture to the room. This is a foldable desk and it folds up like this. The tabletop is made of MDF, so in order to protect it from spills and scratches, I used this marble designed contact paper on it. Sorry I didn't film it as this was done many months back and at that time I was not planning on this video. I also added a gold trim in this groove. In order to make space for the desk, I had to take away the bedside table from here. On the right side, there's a niche with some glass shelves. I'm going to make use of these shelves for storage. This is a picture ledge from Ikea. I got this fixed above the table to hold a few extra things as this table is very small. Now comes the interesting part, which is organizing and decorating the space. I'll start with these shelves on the right side first. There are 4 glass shelves here. On the topmost one, I'm placing an 8x10 picture frame with a biblical quote on it. I designed this one on Canva and printed it out using my printer. I'm using the second shelf for placing these 2 Bibles and rosary. On the third shelf, I'm placing some books with a bookend and a candle. The fourth shelf is for storing stationery and some tech stuff like chargers, cables and earphones, etc. I'm going to use this shelf insert from Ikea to maximize the storage space. Below this, I have a trash can. On this picture ledge, I'm going to place a coffee mug with some 4 succulents, a 5x7 picture frame with a biblical quote, and a calendar with a planner. Moving on to the desk, I'm adding a table lamp here so that I don't disturb my kids when they are asleep, and a wooden spectacle holder to hold my glasses. These are actually toothpaste and toothbrush holders which are no longer in use. I'm using one as a pen holder and the other one to hold a small plant. I paired the desk with this chair from Home Center. This is also a foldable one, like the table. That brings us to the end of this video. I'll be doing up my master bedroom very soon, so watch out for that video. If you're new to this channel and like the content that I share, then please consider subscribing and hit the like button. Also, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye and see you soon.